you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, we are not going to be working on one of my cars. If you are an OG subscriber to the channel, you know we're going to be working on my friend Greg's car, and we are going to be installing the final mod on his car. So Greg actually picked up some new wheels for his car. He picked up some Apexes. I believe they're called like SM10s or something like that. He's had them for a while. He's honestly probably had them for like a year now, but the thing is, he hasn't had the tires for them because tires have been really hard to get. If you know anything about the market right now, any really sticky or really grippy tire is pretty hard to get at the moment. So he's just been waiting for some tires, and that's why it's been taking so long to do this and do this video, obviously. But he finally got all his tires in, and I'm actually heading to his house right now to pick him up, pick the wheels up. We're gonna throw them in my car and then head to the tire shop so we can get the tires and wheels mounted. The reason I'm going with my car is because I'm gonna be changing out my tires as well. My rear tires are like really messed up, so that's why I'm going with my car, or else I would have just went with like a truck or something like that. But yeah, I'm on my way to his house right now. We're gonna toss the wheels in the car. Hopefully they all fit. It's only 4 wheels and 2 tires. The other 2 tires are actually at the tire shop, and we're gonna get them mounted and hopefully go to the shop later on and put the wheels onto the car, because we honestly haven't even tested the wheels onto the car yet, so we don't know how the exact fitment is gonna be, but we'll find that out later on. Good morning, Bartholomew.
Baby. All right.
Well,
let's do it.
We're finally installing the last mod today, Greg. Official last mod.
6:30 in the morning.
6:30, huh? 6:30 in the morning, huh?
Yep.
What are we doing? What's the plan?
Should we take them out of the box or just take it like this?
Just take them out the box.
Out.
There's no point. Let's see what they look like, actually. Give me a sneak peek. We haven't showed them.
Let's do it. We have it?
No. Boom. Look at that. They look like shit.
Yes.
But yeah, guys, these are the new wheels. They're called Apex SM10s. So 18 by 9.5s in the front, and then 18 by 11s in the rear. So
actually, the 11s are in the front.
Oh, 11s in the front. So it's a front wheel drive vehicle with these Mickey Thompsons. For those who don't know, these are illegal street slicks.
No, they're not.
Or drag radials.
It says legal for street use.
I'm just kidding, guys. But these are the rear tires. They're 305 35 18s. And then what's the fronts?
275 35 18.
Look how wide these things are compared to my hand. Pretty damn wide. Hopefully they fit on there just pretty easily.
Should.
I mean, it should. The ones you have right now are 305s.
30s, I think.
So this is his old setup right here. He's got the original competition 666s, but he got tired of the look and he wanted a little bit more grip and girth, because these things do not hook at all, especially on his setup. For those who don't know, well, we haven't made a video on his car in a long time, but it's got pure, which turbos was it? Pure Stage 2 Plus turbos. It's making around 900 wheel right now. 1,000 wheel right now. More power, baby. Let's see if these things will fit in my trunk. Here, I'll just push this. Okay. That's it. All the wheels are all loaded up. Let's get a cold start for the people. As you guys can tell, his neighbors love him. I don't know how loud that sounds on camera, but that shit is loud. That shit has 0 traction with the tires he has. He has 305s in the rear right now, and they're Nittos, and they're pretty grippy already, and it has 0 traction. That's exactly why we're throwing on these bad boys right here. You are obnoxious as hell. Huh? You're obnoxious.
We need Red Bull. I'm tired.
You need a Red Bull?
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning. There's like no cars on the road.
Yeah, it's too early. You better mention my name in the video.
Shut the f up. I'm not mentioning shit in the video.
My friend, Robert.
He's not my friend anymore.
Oh, we're cousins. I forgot.
Yeah, you better do some work. Guys, check out Robert's new E36 M3.
Build.
It's so nice.
Build
It
my
even
ass.
has
Hey,
a
check out
glory
his new.
hole.
Hey, check out his new Pioneer steering wheel. Greg, can you show him the Pioneer
Pioneer
steering wheel?
steering wheel?
Alright, not
Steering
steering
wheel,
wheel,
you
dumb.
fucking
Shut the f up. The
This is such a
Pioneer
nice
head unit.
Pioneer.
Look at this.
You press this button and then the screen opens up.
Ah,
Just
look
like
at that.
this.
You got a backup camera.
Automatic screen opening.
There
Does
you
it
go.
open up?
You're gonna break my
Yeah,
Do you care about this?
Yeah, it's,
Yeah,
You're leaving it in there?
it has a backup camera.
You're putting this car on f***ing Bring It trailer and you're leaving a doubled in f***ing
Have
radio
OEM
in
one?
there. F*** no, I ain't
That's
got an
sucking
OEM. Go put a cheap $50 one that looks better than this shit.
But it's not gonna have the backup camera.
It's got a backup camera?
Yeah. What the fuck? That's why I'm leaving it.
Who the f*** needs a backup camera?
It's not gonna work now unless I wire the reverse, but
That's actually pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie.
it looks stuck.
It still looks like a piece of shit though.
Yeah, I don't like the look of it 100%.
You know they put an E39 steering wheel in there? I just noticed it. It's not even, yeah.
It works. Everything works.
How the f*** does everything work? These buttons can't work.
Yeah,
E36s don't have
Yeah,
these
bro, I
buttons.
have Bluetooth. I have fucking missiles,
Missile.
an oil slick.
This f***ing future U.S. Army officer right there.
That goes to North Korea. That goes to Ukraine.
Does this microphone work?
Huh?
No, I didn't.
Nuts. Hey, your car's over here.
You touch my car, I'm gonna f you up. Oops. Oh, this shit ain't working anymore. By the way, guys, this thing is supposed to have a face right here,
But
but
it's down the glory
for
hole
some
right
reason,
there.
it's down right there. It's on the ground now. Alright guys, so these are actually Greg's wheels. The tires are already mounted, but we're just trying it on my car just to see how it looks. Bro, that's meaty as f. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, we just fit up the wheels. 2 of them in my car, 2 of them in his.
Shout out to our boy at West Coast.
Why do you have the phone like you pick up f***ing phone calls?
I don't do nothing. I just
You
press
don't
the
do
call
anything. Alright guys, we just left the tire shop. Now we're gonna go head to my shop and then throw those new wheels on Greg's car, and we'll finally see how they fit up. We're probably gonna need a spacer or 2 for his front to clear like his shocks and stuff like that, so we'll see when we're testing it on. Alright guys, we got the wheels all set up right here. They're gonna look really good on the F80. So we just got this side on and complete. We actually raised the front end by 1/4 inch because it was a little bit too low. This is basically what it's gonna look like in the end. We didn't put any spacers or anything like that also because if we do end up putting spacers right now, it's just gonna rub really bad. So he is gonna order 8mm spacers.
5.
Or 5mm to throw in the rear just so it could poke out just a tiny bit. But other than that, everything is fitting up pretty damn well. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw on the other side. Check out how it looks, guys. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think of the wheel setup. We had to raise the front just a little bit because it would have been way too low because these are 18s and his originals are 20s, so the wheels were a bit bigger. But this is gonna be the final look of the car. Hopefully they grip well.
Let's find out.
Let's find out, huh? So far, guys, it looks like it's gripping pretty well. It grips pretty. It still lost a little bit. I can hear it.
It's still cold though.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit.
Oh yeah, if it warms up, it'll be way better. Yeah, I forgot about that.
That shit. Bro.
It hooks. Let me try it real quick.
Alright guys, well, as you can see, now we have traction finally. Just need to change the clutch and we should be in good shape.
That should grip pretty damn well.
Pretty damn well, bro.
Alright guys, we went ahead and test drove the car. Everything went perfectly. It's gripping up pretty well. So now we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick little wash because the car is dirty as shit. We just got done washing up the car. We actually cleaned the engine bay as well. Just look at how spotless that thing looks. It'll never look like that again.
Never been done
ever.
before.
It's never been clean, and it's never gonna look like this again. But yeah, guys, just check out the new wheel setup. This thing looks so freaking good. I want to do like a cinematic clip when the sun goes down a little bit, right before the sun goes down. All right, guys, we just came down the street to this little roundabout right here. The shop is right down there. We're gonna get some quick pictures and I'm gonna get some cinematic clips. Hopefully those come out good, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys. Or actually, let me get your guys' opinions. What do you think of the wheels, brother, man?
I think it looks like shit.
To be honest, he didn't even notice the difference.
I didn't notice it because he was going 90 miles an hour right here. That's why.
What about you, H?
Disclaimer: we're in Mexico. We're in Mexico.
Tad's just colorblind. He can't even tell the difference, to be honest, between these two cars, let alone the wheels.
What's different?
Exactly. I like it. Picasso. But yeah, guys, that is gonna bring us to the end of this video. Comment down below what you guys think of the wheels. Would you rather have the old wheel setup or this wheel setup? Obviously, the whole reason for this wheel setup is to get better traction because the car has like 0 traction. But yeah, like I said, comment down below what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.